scary open secret in the AI industry right now is that it's possible that we'll end up essentially creating a new species that ends up ruling the world with a 70% chance that this goes horribly wrong, like human extinction. That's one possibility. There's many more.
It's quite chilling what you're saying.
Yeah, it's gets me down sometimes. I basically told my wife, like, let's not have more kids. Too uncertain. I don't think the long term workforce. Everybody should be afraid that their jobs are going to be lost.
All right. So who is this guy and why should you care what he thinks? His name is Daniel, I don't know, Kokotajlo. I can't pronounce his last name. Apparently, he was an AI safety researcher at OpenAI. Not a commentator, not a blogger, someone who was in the room watching how fast this technology was being built. When he decided to leave and speak publicly about what he saw, OpenAI offered him a deal. Take approximately $2 million invested equity and sign an agreement that you will never publicly criticize us. He turned that down. He turned it down. $2 million gone. All so he could just keep saying, so he could say basically what he just said right here. That's the person whose warning we're starting with today. Keep that in mind for everything I'm about to say next. All right, so here's the question nobody at these companies actually wants to answer. If business is booming, why is everyone losing their job? Because that's the part that doesn't add up. We're not talking about companies that are struggling. We're talking about companies posting record profits, record revenue, record stock buybacks. And in the same breath, they're cutting thousands of people loose. I spent over a decade at Microsoft. Let me tell you what that actually looks like from the inside. Because it's not a headline, it's a person sitting at their desk on a Friday afternoon getting an email asking them to come to their boss's office. That never happens under normal circumstances. When it does, it's over. I know this because it happened to me. Heck, I remember when tech companies talked about family, about loyalty. Back in the early days of my career, there was at least, a performance of caring about people who built those products. That's gone now. And I don't say that with bitterness. I say it as a fact. You need to build your career around here in 2026. The thing that's actually driving these layoffs isn't primarily AI replacing roles, at least not yet. What's driving them is Wall Street. These companies have conditioned investors to expect margin expansion every single quarter. And when you need to cut costs fast without cutting product, the easiest line item is to reduce people. AI gives them the cover story. We're restructuring for an AI first future. What that actually means is we found a way to justify the cut that sounds visionary instead of ruthless. All right, so here's what I actually want you to take away from Daniel's warning. Not the extinction level stuff, that's above my pay grade, but the job market reality right now, today. Number one, your job title, it protects you less than demonstrated value. The people who survived the waves I watched at Microsoft were not the ones with the most impressive resumes. They were the ones whose absence would immediately hurt something that mattered to the business. Number two, if your role can be described in a single sentence to a non-technical executive, it's a risk. The job being protected right now are the ones that are generally hard to explain because they're generally complex. Number three, your network. It's not your job. Your network is your severance package. Start building it before you need it. Not LinkedIn requests, actual relationships with people who would pick up the phone when you need them the most. I've seen this from one angle, but I want to know what you're seeing on the ground. Has your company started using AI to replace roles? Have you been through a layoff in the last year? Tell me in the comments, because that's the conversation that actually matters. I'm Steven. This is Unfiltered. I'll see you in the next one.